Hello students, this is the third video on contract costing. This is the continuation of the second video. The second video I have explained 4 long problems as well as I have given 3 exercise problems. I asked you to solve the problems. I told you that I will be providing the answers in the next video. Here I will cover those 3 long questions as well as 3 more exercise problems will be given to you. So let's start this video. So this is the 5th question. In this question there is nothing new. The simple procedure, the same thing we have to do. On the debit side of the contract account we have taken material, wages, depreciation on plant. Please bear in mind, whenever you find depreciation in the question, you write directly depreciation on the debit side. But when you find opening value of the plant as well as closing value of the plant, 2 alternatives. You can write the difference between opening and closing as to depreciation on the debit side of the contract account, or else you can do one more thing. You can write opening plant on the debit side, closing plant on the credit side. Ultimately, the difference will be adjusted as depreciation. In these 2 ways you can solve the problem. But in this question directly we have given the depreciation percentage, that is 10%. Therefore we have taken directly depreciation percentage 10 and we calculated the depreciation 30,000 into 10%, that is 3,000. Whereas we have calculated the work in progress, work certified we have calculated, since the question provided 80% being 2,70,000 is cash received, then we calculated the work certified. 100% is how much? When we calculate 2,70,000 into 100 by 80, 3,37,500 is our work certified. Uncertified is given in the question 7,500. Material closing it is given, so we have taken on the credit side. So once we close this account, we got notional profit is 81,000. Then we have to see the second working note, that is percentage of completion of contract. The formula is work certified by contract price. Work certified we are already aware, 3,37,500 divided by 6 lakhs is the contract value into 100. That 56.25% as completion percentage. Therefore which formula is applied? The formula is profit is equals to notional profit into 2 by 3 into cash received by work certified. Same formula we have applied, then we got 43,200 as our profit. So we close the account to P&L 43,200 and balance sheet figure transfer to work in progress reserve. So this is the way we need to solve the problem. So we'll take up the next question. 6th question even was given as a exercise problem last video, that is second video. So in this question it is very simple problem. Everything is given in the question. Material sent to site. On the debit side you find labor engaged on site plus accrued wages, in the sense outstanding wages, 74,375 plus 2,400, 76,775 as a total wage, paid as well as accrued, that is outstanding or due. Direct expenditure as well as outstanding together 3,407. Plant installed at site. In this question we have given 2 values of the plant, opening value as well as closing value. So opening value we have given 15,000, closing value we have given 11,000, that we have written on the credit side of the contract account. Then establishment expenses. In this way we calculated the notional profit is 28,275. Work certified, uncertified both directly given. We need not to calculate work certified even. Then percentage of completion, when you see it is getting 78%. So next second formula is applied, that is notional profit into CR 2 by 3 into CR by WC. When we applied that formula we got the answer 17,400. That is notional profit 28,275 into 2 by 3 into cash received is 1,80,000 given in the question divided by 1,95,000 is the work certified. You got 17,400. Then balancing figure will be transferred, that is 10,875 to work in progress reserve. This is the way we need to close the account of contract. This is also very simple question. So we'll take up the next question. So this question is very important. We did not do this type of question earlier. So in this question when you solve the problems you got a loss of rupees 6,500. Once we get a loss we will close this problem here itself. We don't transfer anything, transfer of loss to P&L account kind of a thing. So we'll close here itself. When you see the items on the debit side, we find first one is depreciation on plant. Since we have given the information related to plant, 45,000 is the value of plant into depreciation is 20%. And the date of commencement of contract is very important. We are starting the contract on 1st January 1981 and The contract was incomplete as on 30th June 1981. So we are closing our books of account on 30th June 1981. Till then the contract was not completed. In the sense, the plant which we have purchased for 45,000, we have used it for only 6 months. And the depreciation that we have provided 20% is per annum. Therefore, we calculated the depreciation for 6 months. 45,000 into 20% into 6 by 12, that is 4,500 is our depreciation. So this is the significant item. The rest of the things are already we have discussed in the earlier problems, that remain same. So in this problem, we got a loss of 6,500 and depreciation is calculated for only 6 months. Whenever you do problem, you should see how many months or how many days we have used the asset to calculate the depreciation. In this way, we have to solve the problems. So this question is also one exercise problem. Try to solve this problem. This 9th question is the second question for exercise problem in this video. Try to solve this problem even, and the 10th question even. It's quite easy. You can easily do, provided if you have seen the first video, second video, then you can easily solve these problems also. If you don't get answer, you don't worry about it. I will share the answers in the next video. So I hope I have provided you the basic crux of the contract costing. So do subscribe my channel and follow my channel. Please share my videos with your fellow friends, like my video, and you can contribute to this channel through thanks button even. I wish you all the best. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe my channel, Mentor the Trusted Guide. Thank you very much.